काननं भूतगणातिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम् आपदामुपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् आर्तानामार्तिहन्तारं भीतानां भयनाशनं विशतां कालदण्डं तं रामचन्द्रं नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। पूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं गोष्पदीगतवारीशं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे लीलात्मजम् अंजनानंदनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्.
She's being afflicted by this disguise too much. Dear disguise, and Ravana disguise, all disguise, coming. Say one more. It is not right that you should torment me, O Rakshasa. You can take any form at will. It's not right that you torment me when I, thin and fasting, feeling miserable, have already suffered so much. But I don't know. Perhaps my fears are unfounded. Now she's thinking in her mind. Perhaps my fears are unfounded. Because the sight of you gives me happiness. If indeed you are Rama's messenger, may all good attend to you. Tells him. If indeed you are Rama's messenger, may all good attend to you. I would like to question you about Rama. I would love to hear about him. Tell me, dwell on his qualities. Dwell on his qualities of Rama, my beloved. You bring me happiness like a flood dust to the river bank. If you tell me about the qualities of Rama. If this is a dream, it is a pleasant dream. This is a dream that I have seen the messenger sent by Rama, a Vanara. It is a very pleasant dream. But I wish I had a dream of Rama himself. Even if in my dream I could see Rama and Lakshmana, I would not die. But my dreams are unfriendly to me. One Vanara there shown. But I am not dreaming, for nothing good happens to a person who sees a monkey in a dream, whereas my luck is turning. It could be a hallucination, or it could be a ghost that I am seeing, or it could be my brain is disordered, maybe it's a mirage that I am seeing. But this is not a phantom which is conjured up by a heated brain, nor is it hallucination, for I clearly recognize myself and I recognize this monkey. Having thus considered all possibilities, she once again concluded with Ravana. And she decided not to speak another word to him. And he could see how her thoughts were running. Now, this is a difficult point for him. He has moved the chess pieces square by square, he has moved. Now again one check. Adityaiva tejasvi yogakanta shashiyata raja sarvasya lokasya devo vaishavano yatha vikrameno vapannaccha yatha vishnur mahayasha satyavadi madhuravag devo vachaspatiryatha रूपवान सुभग श्रीमान कंदर्पैव मूर्तिमान स्थान क्रोध प्रहर्ता च श्रेष्ठो लोके महारथः बाहुच्छायामवष्टब्धो यस्य लोको महात्मनः आदित्यैव तेजस्वी. Tejas like the sun. Lokakanta Shashi Yatha is loved by all creatures like they would love the full moon. And he is the king of all the world. Raja Sarvasya Lokasya. Like Kubera. In his valor, he is like Vishnu of immense renown. Mahavishnu himself. And in truth, Satyavadi, truthful, Madhuravag, he's sweet in speech, sweet spoken. How speech spoken? Vachaspati Dita, like Brihaspati himself. This is Hanuman. He adds, Rupavan is handsome. Subhaga, Sriman, Kandarpaiva Murtiman. He is handsome, he is agreeable, he is gracious, he is glorious. And he is the incarnate of the God of love. Kandarpaiva Murtima. Now he has Sita's attention. He's painted him to her. In the North Indian tradition of Rasa, they say that during the wedding of Rama, when he was on the horse, during the Bharat, the horse was Kandarpa. Kamadeva became the horse. And that was Sri Rama, the prince. So beautiful it was. The sight to see Rama and Kamadeva, that Lord Mahadeva, Shiva was seeing. He opened all 15 eyes and saw it. 5 faces, 3 eyes. And saw. And then, apparently Ravana had also come. He beat Shiva, it seems. He got 20 eyes. Filled sight of the glorious Prince Rama on the Kandarpaiva Murtiman. Sthanakrodha prahartacha. Sthanakrodha. He shows anger to one who deserves it. Prahartacha. He can blaze in wrath when there is provocation and he can strike hard. Loke Maharatha, Shrestho Loke Maharatha, is the foremost charioteer of the world. Then he ends at saying, Bahuchayam avashtabdho yasya loko mahatmana. The whole world. Where is the shelter for this whole world? It is under the shadow of the mighty shoulders of Sri Ram. Bahuchayam avashtabdho yasya loko mahatmana. You will shortly see Raghava, who was decoyed from the hermitage by the devious Rakshasa and the phantom deer. When you were carried away by the wicked Rakshasa, you will see that Rakshasa very soon reaping the fruit of his act. I have come here, sent you as a messenger to you by the heroic one, and he will be here before long, and he will slay Ravana with his arrows, which are like blazing tongues of flame, which he will shoot in his wrath. He is distraught with grief. Your loss has made him distraught with grief. But he sends you his greetings. And Lakshmana of the mighty arm and immense power, who is the perpetual joy of Sumitra. And Lakshmana has also made his prostrations to you, and he sends you his greetings. My lady Rama has a friend, the ape Sugriva, the king of all the great ape chiefs. He, the king of apes, he too sends you his greetings. Rama, Lakshmana and Sugriva are constantly thinking about you. God be thanked. God be thanked that you, having fallen into the hands of Rakshasis, are still alive. You shall shortly see Rama, Lakshmana and Sugriva And you will see them followed by millions of apes. Aham Sugriva Sachivo. Only now he is introducing himself. Till now he said, I was the Vanara who came, etc. Now he says, Aham Sugriva Sachivo Hanuman Nama Vanara. I am the minister of Sugriva. I am a monkey. My name is Hanuman. Pravishto Nagarim Lankam Langhayitva Mahotadhin. I entered the city of Lanka after having leaped across the mighty ocean. Krutva Mudhi Padanyasam Ravanasya Duratmanah Tvam Drishtum Upayatoham Samashitya Parakramam. Since she was so petrified that it is Ravana who had come, but Ravana is so petrified of Ravana has not been able to come. Ravana is the fear. The next first verse is saying, I am Hanuman. I have come. Next he says, Krutva Mudhim Padanyasam Ravanasya Duratmanah. I have stepped on the head of the wicked Ravana. I have stepped on the head of the wicked Ravana, relying on my own valor, and I have come to see you. Stepped on the head means I walked into Lanka, I have been there, I have done that, I have seen everything. Nothing he can do. Don't even worry about him. He is nothing. Kritva Murdhi Padanyasam, stepped on his face. Relying on my own will, I have now come to see you. This is the purpose of my visit to Lanka. I have come to see you. The purpose was not to destroy Ravana. Else that is easy. My purpose was to come to see you. Nahamaspi tatha devi yatha mam avagacchasi vishankat yajjata bhesha shraddhatsva vadato mama. நீங்க நினைக்கிற மாதிரி அல்ல. I am not Nahamasmi tatha devi yatha mam avagacchasi. I am not what you take me for, my lady. I am not Ravana. I am a monkey Hanuman. I am not what you take me for, my lady. Vishanka Chejjata. Please abandon your suspicions. Shraddhatsva vadato mama. Please repose trust on my words. Trust me. I have been sent by Lord Rama. You will notice that the small matter of Anguliyakam has not yet come. That is the sagacity of Hanuman. Somebody barges into your office with a letter of introduction from some powerful person or seal, etc., saying so and so. First thing, that only is put under your nose. That is one way of doing things. But it will immediately, the right thinking leader, it will be a bad thing to do. That is the last thing they will come to. And in our tradition, in Ramayana Katha tradition in South India, the Angulika Pradhanam, the giving of the ring, that narration, that day's narration, that part narration, is considered very special. The whole place is decorated in flowers, this thing, that, what all they do. They used to do. Oh, Angulika Pradhanam. We have to go and listen. Everybody knows the story, but it's very, we have to. People will travel and come, oh, we should listen at least of this. Hopefully that is next class. Azadi. He says he studied Ramayana when he was in jail. Until that time, he came from a Vedika family, but his father thought better he study English. So he got around to looking at studying Ramayana only when he was in jail, and he says that is the great service, dharma that British have done, that they put me in jail. And I could do nothing. So at that time I said, look, I have time. And the Ramayana available. So Padam Padam I read. That's how I wrote this Ramayana. His view is Dukkham, 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 Dukkham. Ramayana is only Dukkha. Every time you think, Arey Baba, finally some good thing, some more Dukkha. Around every corner, Dukkha. Bharatam also, Dukkha. This is the point. Here, Dukkham is the soap for the heart. In life. So to demonstrate that they have taken human form, suffered. That's not that they sell some passing show for them. They suffered. Just to show that in suffering lies the seeds of anything, any mahatkaryam, any big work you do, it be painful. Dukkha. Why did we take this up? Whole world is there, I am the only person. You are Dukkham. But that is the way. That is what stays. When you read the Bharatam or Ramayana, etc., you don't, what doesn't stay with you? What doesn't stay with you is, 12 years of happy life that they had together, who remembers? Or in Indra Prasad, they had such good time for some time, all the Pandavas, who cares? Draupadi, Tata remembers. Bhima, in the Agyatavasa, killing that fellow. Remember that. Nala Damayanti, remember. Nala was a great king, he was having a good time, that you don't remember. He starts losing in gambling, that's the story. So Radhaji says, this is it. Dukkham, Dukkham. So he also says, if you take the character of Sita, you take the character of Rama, Dukkham. You take the character of Sita, you will have to say Dukkham, Dukkham, Parama Dukkham. Dasratha Dukkham, Kausalya Dukkham, Kaikeyi Dukkham, Bharata Dukkham because of his own mother's Atipriyam. Yunga Pata Dukkham, the only one place is no Dukkham, Hanuman. Hanuman, unattached, no Dukkham. That is the glory of listening to Sundarakanda.